friend. I'm not a murderer.
You're not a murderer.
Yeah, but I'll pass through this painfully for justice to be served. I'm not a murderer.
For the first time since Bright Aweh was going, like he has been going to court, for the first time he has spoken. He said he is not a murderer. But he will go through this whole justice system painfully just to prove that he's not a murderer. And as soon as he said that, come and see Stephen King Amoah, his family members. I'm sorry. Let's be serious. And also, Ekow Black. The police, aside the assaults, they found another charge. Sextortion. That one too, they are putting it on him. He has been remanded into police custody. I have the full gist for you.
I'm the Headless YouTuber, there's Headless Reactions. Alatiare, Yanko!
If you're a fan of Crime de la Crime, I just want to remind you that we have a new channel for Crime de la Crime. So right now, we've been uploading new episodes on that channel and not on this main channel, Headless YouTuber. Go on YouTube right now, search for Crime de la Crime. You'll find that new channel. Subscribe to the channel. Watch the videos, even the ones you've watched already. Watch again. We are trying to build that channel. Now, before we go to Bright Aweh's case, let's revisit Ekow Black, the content creator who a video was circulating of him, hands touching his girlfriend. No, yes, from a reliable source, this thing happened on the 30th of November 2025, last year, 30th November, barely 2 months ago. And after the thing happened, he called his family. He reported himself to his family. His family called the girl's family, and they trashed this whole issue out amicably. They have settled the issue. But, crime there doesn't have any expiry date. Once the video has come out, they've taken him on. I don't know the legal, whatever it is, whether the victim will say we don't want to press charges, whatever it is. But the Ghana Police Service took him to court the day he was arrested. No, they took him to court so that they will get remand for him and do further investigation. So this is the update that the Ghana Police Service brought on the 18th of January 2026 at 10:11 a.m. They said that update, suspect remanded over viral assault video and fresh sextortion allegations. Fresh. The Adabraka District Court has remanded Christford Adafu Danfo, also known as Ekow Black, into police custody in connection with a viral assault case and additional sextortion allegations. The suspect was put before the Adabraka District Court on Friday, 16 January 2026, where the court presided over by Her Worship Nana Abna Aso Owusu Omenyo ordered that he be remanded into police custody to reappear on the 21st of January 2026. The remand follows ongoing investigations into an earlier incident captured in a viral video, as well as fresh allegations that the suspect threatened to circulate intimate images and engaged in acts consistent with sextortion. So this is the update that they brought. But for the sextortion part, I don't know, the police is still doing their investigation. But according to Ekow Black, what he narrated on TikTok there, he said that it is somebody who threatened. So that one is not Ekow Black who threatened. So I'm sure the sextortion is not Ekow Black. They are looking for the Josephine lady, the lady who took the video. It was her house that the fight happened in. She took the video. They are looking for her. I don't know whether they found her as at the moment I'm recording this video. But there's a video of Ekow Black when he was leaving the courthouse into the car. This is the video. So yes, Ekow Black currently in police custody. He would have to reappear before the court on the 21st of June 2026. But one case that we've been following since July last year, the death of immigration officer Stephen King Amoah. Prime suspect Bright Aweh, Stephen King Amoah's very, very close friend. He's the prime suspect, and also the second suspect, which is Thomas Zigah. They appeared before the Adabraka District Court today. the 19th of January 2026. And this was how they entered the court.
Simply the best. Make I see a bonsu motion. Open it, say my head trendy mono cry. Fear bakupo, baby bakupo. See headless. Now open money on my papa.
Now, in case you're looking for updates on what has been happening since, go on my channel right now. You see the videos. Just search for Headless YouTuber Bright Aweh or Headless YouTuber Stephen King Amoah. I'm very sure you see all the videos. I'll provide some of them tagged to this particular video. However, if in case you don't know anything about it, Stephen King Amoah was an immigration officer who unfortunately lost his life on the 3rd of July 2025 after he went to his friend's house. He told people he was going to his friend Bright Aweh's house. Later, his body was discovered, burnt and stuff like that. Police found evidence in Bright Aweh's house, including a pistol that with blood on it, about 100 meters away from Bright's house, a freshly painted wall, and then some blood stains and stuff. They are still going to court. Now, when they went to court today, the case has been adjourned to the 3rd of February 2026 because they, according to the prosecutors, they are waiting for advice from the Attorney General. In fact, there's a court clerk who spoke to me. This is what he told me.
They adjourned the case to 3rd of February 2026. Then say they are waiting for an advice from the AG to also follow up on the case. And they said there was a duplicate docket to the AG. So the AG has not responded, so they are waiting for his advice. Then the police will make a follow-up to the case. So down, the case has been adjourned to the 3rd of February 2026.
Okay.
So he was speaking and he made a remarkable comment on his way that he did not kill his friend and he will pass through it and justice will be served accordingly. That's what Aweh said whilst he was, entering into the car to the prison.
Now, shout out to Blogger Bossa for making all these things possible. Shout out to you, bro. You did sport there. So right now, the case has been adjourned to the 3rd of February 2026. However, one very, very notable and remarkable thing that happened today. If you check all the previous videos, whenever Bright Aweh is coming to court, head down, even the family members of Stephen King Amoah, they want to beat him. So usually the police trying to protect him and stuff, they take him up. When they are coming down to the same way, hands are touching him, they rush him to the car and stuff. But today, it was quite calm. And I don't know, because of the calmness of the place and most of the family members didn't come and there was no giddy. So Bright Aweh actually spoke. Today, he said that as soon as he came out, he said, I'm not a murderer. I will pass through this painfully for justice to be served. I am not a murderer.
I didn't kill my friend. I'm not a murderer.
You're not a murderer.
Yeah, but I'll pass through this painfully for justice to be served. I'm not a murderer. I didn't kill this. I'll pass through it.
Excuse me, please give us way.
Now, this is surprising because he has not spoken, not a word, but today in Kwade, I don't know what touched him for him to speak today. And you can see clearly that most of Stephen King Amoah's family members were not there as compared to when the trial started fresh or when this whole court thing started fresh. I don't think the trial has even started proper safe. But now you can see that less and less family members are going. I don't know what the Attorney General is waiting for, and up till now they are still waiting for advice from the Attorney General. But whatever it is, I hope justice is served as soon as possible. Bright Aweh said he's not a murderer. Now he will go through all this painfully. All the things that people are saying about him, all the pushing and all these things, no problem. He will go through it painfully. But at the end, he believes justice will be served and he will be acquitted. He's not a murderer. At the same time, the family members are saying that, oh, stop the fooling that you are fooling. How can you tell me that story? And the family members also angry at him.
You pass through it. So you think you come back. Come back and you come and meet us. Come back. Come back, you are fast through what? You fast through it. You free. I don't know the man who come
Whatever it is, on the 3rd of February, Tuesday, 3rd February, when they go back to court, I'll give you the updates. But until then, kindly subscribe to this channel in case you haven't, and subscribe to all the other channels. Big things are coming. Big things are coming.
Watch other videos on this channel. Tell somebody about Headless. Yeah, Yapon.